In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a profile on MetaTrader 5. Maybe you're decluttering or reorganizing your setup. Whatever your reason, you'll find this process straightforward and quick. So let's dive in. First, you want to open your MetaTrader 5 application. Once you have it in front of you, navigate to the top menu bar where you can see various options laid out. You're going to look for the File menu. Think of this as your go-to place for accessing different internal settings and configurations within MetaTrader 5. So, move your cursor over and click on File. This menu gives you a plethora of options for managing your MetaTrader environment, and we're going to zero in on the task at hand. Next, from the drop-down that appears when you click on File, you're going to choose Profile. This option deals with user-specific configurations that you've set up to tailor your trading environment. Clicking Profile allows you to access and manage the different profiles you may have already created. Each profile essentially represents a customized setup of charts, indicators, and tools that suit your trading style. So this is where you can control how your trading interface looks and feels. Now that you're in the Profile submenu, it's time to select the specific profile you want to delete. Make sure you choose carefully, because deleting a profile means removing all its contents, including any custom arrangements or settings you've set up for that specific profile. Once you've identified the profile you want to remove, go ahead and select it by clicking on it. This step makes sure the program knows exactly which profile you're aiming to modify. If you have a lot of profiles, they might be listed in alphabetical order, so keep an eye out for the name that matches the one you're looking to delete. Moving forward, with your chosen profile highlighted, it's time to remove it from MetaTrader 5. Still in the Profile menu, you should find an option labeled Remove. This is the command you're going to use. Click on Remove, and MetaTrader will ask for your confirmation as a precautionary measure. This prompt is to avoid accidental deletions, so read any warnings or pop-ups carefully to make sure you're still targeting the correct profile. Confirm the deletion, and just like that, the profile will be removed from your platform. And there you have it. A straightforward way to delete a profile on MetaTrader 5. This process helps you manage and organize your trading setups, keeping everything neat and optimized for your needs. Having the right set of profiles can streamline your trading routines, so don't hesitate to manage them as required. If you have any questions or need further assistance with MetaTrader 5, be sure to reach out.